Grand Prix so far this season, but he's been involved in some tremendous battle with the Aprilias. Oh, and Shimizu's gone. Shimizu crushes out Loris Capirossi, also down there, the 125cc world champion, and Wilco Zeelenberg riding. And now I look at the accident from a different angle. Oh, Shimizu goes. Zeelenberg launched into the air, motocross style. And Capirossi also going down. Plenty of runoff area, but a very nasty looking accident indeed. The yellow flag's being shown. But Zeelenberg still lying down. Capirossi, well, being carried away.